Well, we just keep it simple because we've played with each other quite a while now. So I know his game, he knows mine. So basically, when we're batting together, most of the time I'm the aggressor, and he's the person that just sticks around and knocks it around. And if he does get a boundary ball, puts it away the same way. So it's for us, it's always nice batting with someone like him because he's just going to make sure that you're on strike as much as possible, and then it'll just be easier for you to execute. Well, at the moment, this is my highest score in international cricket, so this would be the best one. It's always nice chasing a score. It feels much better than setting one. Chasing a score and just making sure that your team gets home. It's always much better feeling. Sad that I didn't actually finish the game, but it's a work in progress for me. Well, for me, basically, I just try to enjoy my batting as much as possible. Sometimes it's cricket and it's life, so sometimes it goes your way, sometimes it doesn't. Didn't have the best of IPLs, I would say, but it's a nice experience, something you could take out from it. It always helps you to come back stronger, much stronger for whatever you would have done from before. And I just try as much as possible to put that behind me and just look ahead. Well, per se, the ground against Afghanistan was huge, so that did help. But it's as I said before, it's always a nice challenge just to play against different teams in different conditions. And playing at Lucknow, the pitch is by far different from this one, and it just helped you to think about your game just a little bit more, be a little tighter, and just be a little bit more patient in whatever you have to do, and just sticking with your goals and your plans, and just work from there.